Welcome back, everybody. Gastroenterology.
There you go.
Did I say that right?
There you go. The study of the digestive system.
That's exactly right. Actually, a lot of breakthroughs are being made in the field, especially here in East Texas, and a great symposium coming up for those who actually want to learn more about it.
Yeah, John Moore, our friend from Trinity, Mother Francis here. Nice to see you again, John. Tell us more about it.
Hey, John. Thanks for being here.
Again, so many. The medical field, just as a whole, when you think of cancer, heart, gastroenterology, I mean, they're making leaps and bounds, it would seem, overnight. I mean, it's come light years and it has 2, 3, 5, 10 years ago.
Right.
Yeah, even in the last 5 years, you're right. It's amazing what they're learning and the advancements that are being made. And what's special about this symposium is we have doctors on staff at Trinity Clinic in our gastroenterology, hepatology, and endoscopy department that are Harvard trained. They come from, very prestigious places, and they work right here in this community. So what they've done is they've contacted some of their colleagues and friends that they've known. We have people from the Mayo Clinic, from Harvard that are going to come down.
Yeah, both of those places.
They have made their spot on the map, have they not?
Yeah.
But they're going to be here. It's an all-day event, so it's clinical people, physicians, talking to local clinical people and physicians who want to learn how they can spot potential problems in their patients, how they can learn new things to maybe get them to a specialist that otherwise they might not know about or catch. An example would be fatty liver disease. 5 years ago, most of us, including myself, had never even heard of fatty liver disease, but it's something that if you're genetically predisposed or with your diet, you could wind up having to have a liver transplant. I met a young man that was in his 20s that was already diagnosed with fatty liver disease. And so if you know the signs and you know the symptoms, then you can help your patients and catch it early. And that's what this symposium is about. It's September 11th at the Wisenbaker Conference Center. There is a cost. It is targeted at doctors and clinical people, and it varies in cost depending on your level of medical education.
Now, what sort of speakers are you going to have at the symposium to sort of help educate people?
Well, fatty liver disease will be discussed. They're also going to talk about some of the breakthroughs, some of the new treatments, some of the things to look for. So there are several speakers. It is an all-day event. They will serve you a healthy lunch.
Well, there you go.
And
nothing wrapped in bacon here on this one, guys.
Now, we're trying to get everybody signed up by tomorrow. So if you'll go to our website at tmfhc.org, there's still time to get signed up, and you can get more information right there on that handy old internet thing.
Well,
on
again,
that handy old internet.
We've talked about the Mayo Clinic, we talked about Harvard, we talked about all these great places and great hospitals, but you can get the information you need without traveling there just by going to this seminar.
Just here in East Texas. It's great.
And Dr. Kai, who is the head of our department at Trinity Clinic, trained at Harvard. She came to us from Harvard. So we have some heavy hitters that work right here every day in the community, but this is a great chance to hear people who have a lot of experience teach you some new things.
Nice to have them here. John, good to see you. Thanks
for the
here.
opportunity.
Thanks a lot, John.
Nice to see you guys.
Okay.
All righty.